Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make one of our most popular starters, the sweetcorn fritters, otherwise known as Tod Mun Khao Pod. So we're going to be using trusty green giant sweet corn.
Ho ho ho.
Green giant.
So if that sounds good to you, and it does, stay tuned. Roll intro. Hi guys, so to make the corn fritters, we've got 5 grams of fresh black pepper, got about 8 cloves of garlic, about 15 grams of coriander, 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour, we've got about a tablespoon of salt, and about the same of sugar. And here, the champion green giant original sweet corn. So that's 1 tin, 285 grams. So we're going to put all of these in the pestle and mortar, and we're going to crush it up. So here's the pestle and mortar. Let's take it away. Fresh black pepper first, until you see it's all crushed. So then put the garlic. Okay, when it's all crushed, then in with the coriander. So here we have the mixture. Okay, now we're going to clean and rinse the sweet corn. Okay, we're going to add the mixture to the sweet corn. And then in with the self-raising. Give that a nice mix. In with the sugar and a dash of salt. The sweet corn is naturally sweet, so we don't need too much sugar. A bit more flour. Now it's nearly finished. Okay, so we're gonna form the fritters now. Our oil is nice and hot. So get your hands nice and wet. And form the fritters. And then just deep fry these until they're golden brown. Just keep turning them over. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And just put into some paper, absorb some of the oil. Alright, now we plate up. Lovely. Got a little beetroot flour here. And this is our homemade sweet chili sauce. We'll do a video about that next time. So here we have the finished article. Alright, let's try one of these bad boys. Oh wow, look at that. Sounded good. Ah, so good. So, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm enjoying it. So there's a quick little video today on one of our most popular starters. Give that a go at home. It's not a difficult recipe. It's very easy and it's a great snack for the kids, a starter, something really easy to do at home. So, as I said, give that a go. Let us know how you get on. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and bang that bell. I'm gonna go and finish these. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.